Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Brent, and today I want to encourage you to recognize him while you can. In Luke 19, Jesus was entering into Jerusalem. Now, he's a few days away from being crucified, and as he's entering into Jerusalem, Jesus, y'all, begins to cry. Why does Jesus begin to cry? Well, the answer is found in verses 41 through 44. Again, we're in Luke 19. But as he came closer to Jerusalem and saw the city ahead, he began to weep. How I wish today that you of all people would understand the way of peace. But now it is too late, and peace is hidden from your eyes. Before long, your enemies will build ramparts against your walls and encircle you and close in on you from every side. They will crush you into the ground and your children with you. Your enemies will not leave a single stone in place because you did not accept your opportunity for salvation. Y'all, as Jesus comes near the conclusion of his earthly ministry, he's heartbroken by the fact that there are many in Jerusalem who still don't believe that he's the Savior, that he's God in the flesh, that he's the way, the truth, and the life, that Jesus is the way for salvation. And Jesus knows that had they believed, they could have experienced peace. But instead, as a consequence of their unbelief, they would have to endure war. You see, the heart of God breaks when you and I fail to recognize who he is. And here's my hope for those of you who may be watching and you're on the fence about Jesus. My hope is that you would recognize him as the path to salvation. For those of you who are bought in about Jesus, my hope is that you would not simply know about Jesus, but truly attempt to live and love like Jesus. Here's the good news. If you're off course, it's not too late to get back on course. You see, our time in this life is so limited. So let's maximize it by recognizing who he is and experience the fullness of who he is.